Hello my dear ones, and I want to review with you what we did in science this term. And we started with soil. What is soil? Soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. Without soil, plants cannot grow. We have 4 types of soil. They are sandy soil, loamy soil, clay soil, and silt soil. We use sandy soil mostly for building. Loamy soil is used for planting. Clay soil is used for molding, and silt soil is also good for planting. Why is soil important? Soil is important because it helps plants to grow. Soil also helps to provide food for humans and animals. Soil can also be used to build houses, and it holds plants firmly to the ground. So we move on to the topic air. What is air? Air is a mixture of gases. Air is found in our environment. Everywhere we go to, we find air. And air is very important for all living things, plants, animals, and human beings. Air is everywhere. Any empty space that is not occupied by anything is occupied by air. Air occupies spaces that is not occupied by anything. You remember our experiment in the class where we took a bottle and put it inside water, and we discovered that bubbles was coming out of the bottle in the water. That bubble shows the presence of air trying to escape from the bottle, because when the bottle was empty, there was no air. It was air that was occupied in the bottle. So water. What is water? Water is a liquid. Water is a liquid. Good water must be colorless, odorless, tasteless, and must not have any dirty particles in it. And we have 2 sources of water. The sources of water can be divided into 2: natural sources and artificial sources. Now, examples of natural sources are rain, well, river, stream, brook, spring, borehole. These are examples of natural sources of water. And what are the examples of artificial sources of water? They are tap water, water tanker, underground reservoir. These are the common sources of water. Now, uses of water. What do we use water for? We use water for drinking. We use water for cooking. We use water for washing our clothes, washing our plates, washing the floors. We use water to also water our plants and our flowers. We use water too in the industries. The industries use large amounts of water to do their industrial works. So water can also be used in large farms where you have them using water sprays to spray water around the farm. And then recently we have looked at common animals in our locality. Common animals are also called domestic animals. People keep domestic animals as pets. They are usually harmless animals. Animals that are dangerous are called wild animals, and they live in the forest. Can you give me examples of some domestic animals?